How to turn on or turn off Allow Siri when locked on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Next, on the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then we go down and tap on Allow Siri when locked. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. When you turn it off, a pop-up will appear. So from the pop-up, tap on Turn Off, Allow Siri When Locked. Or you can tap on the toggle button to turn it on. If you turn it on, you'll be presented with a passcode screen. So in here, enter your passcode to turn on Allow Siri When Locked. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.